This video is entitled Standard Takeoff Toolbar Replace and Remove. The Replace and Remove button is identified by an icon that resembles a flashlight. The Replace and Remove utility will give the estimator the ability to perform a non-destructive replacement or removal of parts from an estimate. Non-destructive means that the original estimate is not changed and a new breakout will be created displaying the replaced or removed items. To perform a replacement or removal, we proceed as follows. First, we select the item in the bid list that we wish to replace or remove. So we're going to demonstrate this using the number 2 THHN copper stranded in this assembly, and we're going to replace it with aluminum. So we highlight the copper, we click on the Replace Remove button. The number 2 THHN copper stranded is in my original list. I click on Search and I click on Index because I want to search by index, and I go THHN aluminum and it goes to the aluminum, not the thermostats. We want the aluminum. And now we're going to choose the 1/0 aluminum. That's what we're going to use to replace it with. We click Exit, and now we have an option to either do it in this breakout or in every occurrence. And every occurrence means every place in this estimate where it might occur. And that sometimes takes a while, so don't do this if you're getting ready to submit a bid. So we're going to do it for this breakout. We click on the Replace button. The program gives me a warning and says, do I want to replace the 465 feet of number 2 THHN copper stranded? I say yes. And as you notice, the number 2 THHN copper stranded is still here, but if I open up my breakout chart, I now have a new breakout called Replacements, where my number 2 THHN copper stranded came out and my number 1 THHN aluminum went in. As you can notice, there's a little bit of a difference in my labor units. The labor for the copper is higher than that for the aluminum. But the aluminum price is higher than the copper. So that's how replacements works. Now to demonstrate removal, I'm going to select this assembly and I'm going to explode it on my screen so that I can see the contents of that assembly, and you will notice that this has fixture whips in it. Many times fixtures are supplied with fixture whips attached, so we want to remove all these fixture whips. So I click on the Replace button here, and all I'm going to do is, and I'm going to say this breakout, I'm going to remove those fixture whips. I can do it for this assembly, or I can do it in every occurrence. Again, that will take some time, or only in this breakout. So I'm just interested in this breakout, so I do my removal, and it asks me if I want to remove them. I say yes, and I go to my removed breakout now, and there are my 12 fixture whips taken out of the job. And this is how much I'm saving in that job by doing that removal. So that's the method for using the Replace and Remove, and that concludes the Standard Takeoff Toolbar Replace and Remove video.